Welcome back, guys, to another video. We have a lot to talk about today, especially with this big holiday update coming in from Tesla. And Musk has also promised that it's coming very, very soon. We also have a lot of news about the brand new buy rating from another analyst on Wall Street. And this has nothing to do about the S&P 500. I think there's a lot of analysts out there giving Tesla a massive price target because it really is a good company and it has a lot more to do than just everyday car manufacturing. I mean, there's software, there's batteries, etc. Their battery research team is pretty incredible, and we have a lot to talk about today. So let's talk about the update that's coming out very soon. It's the big holiday update. Musk said it's still coming, and there's some slight delays here and there. Now, Elon Musk and Tesla has been teasing a very important software update for their Tesla owners. Now, it's honestly very nice of Tesla sending out a free massive holiday update. That's the perks about buying a Tesla vehicle, and a lot of people seem to know that. A lot of youngsters and millennials will love to buy a Tesla because you get these really incredible over-the-air software updates. That's something you don't really get with other car companies. And with only 1 week left in the year, Tesla owners are getting a little bit anxious, a little bit antsy, because they're not really going to be getting the holiday update like on Christmas Eve or Christmas. It's going to be a little bit delayed, but Elon Musk is just saying that Tesla is just ironing out a few bugs, and that's about it. Tesla has been consistently pushing new updates over the air every single year with brand new features every few months. There's some minor changes here and there, but these software updates really just make the car a lot more enjoyable. A lot of the software updates don't actually improve the vehicle itself. It just adds a little bit more perks and also a little bit more fun to the vehicles. For example, the last one was Tesla V10. It was released in September of 2019. It brought a lot of new changes to the UI, added in Tesla Theater, karaoke, and also new improvements inside some of the Tesla vehicles absolutely for free. I think that's one of the biggest perks about a Tesla. You get these really incredible updates without spending a single penny. And every time when there's like a bug or glitch or just something that really needs to be addressed, Tesla will give you these updates right away as fast as they can. 2020, we will be having a massive holiday update. Musk has been hyping this update with new features and also really cool stuff. And when Musk is getting really excited about it, you should too. Now, with only a few days left in the year, Musk was asked on Twitter if the software update was still coming since, Christmas is already here. Little to no information on the update. I mean, everyone isn't really getting it, so everyone is a little bit anxious. But Musk is saying that they're just ironing out a few bugs here and there. There's a few features being requested. For example, offering a bird's eye view feature through its autopilot camera in the FSD package. That's also pretty good. People have also been mentioning, will Tesla release a video conferencing feature, especially with working from home, Zoom. Some people, let's say, have school or college. They're driving to the store. They're in the middle of a parking lot. It's going to take a really long time to drive back home. So why not have a good video conference system just simply through your car alone? Using it through the phone is very slow and very laggy. So having a video conference system through your car, that sounds pretty cool. You could talk to people through its exterior speakers, and people could definitely talk back to you. And there's, of course, sound speakers, music, etc. So you could probably hook up Zoom. You could probably hook up like Slack or some sort of video conferencing app or software. It's like a really cool little update. At this current moment, Tesla doesn't have this, so adding in video conferencing will be pretty big. And can you imagine everyone just simply taking their Zoom classes or going to work by just simply getting in their car without actually driving anywhere? I think it's pretty convenient, especially how some people, they drive all day to different locations or pick up groceries, and they don't really have time to go all the way back home to attend a class, so they just simply do it in their car. I think it's pretty cool. There's also other smaller features here and there, but we should be expecting this holiday update to be one of the biggest Tesla updates. I think a lot of fans are pretty serious and pretty convinced that this should be a really high quality update, especially Musk has been saying a lot more things about it. This was kind of delayed. It's gonna be towards the very end of December, so it's not as great as getting it around mid-December, but hey, I mean, you want it to be bug free, and Musk is launching a lot of free cool features without charging you anything. Lastly is this major price upgrade from a Wall Street analyst. JMP Securities has raised their price target for Tesla stock by 53% to $788 per share. This is insane, and has also said that Tesla is an absolute buy. Now, one of the analysts in JMP Securities also has a lot of Tesla shares since October, and also given it a massive new price boost. You kind of see the idea, like $788, this price tag is already slowly inching towards the $1,000 price target, which will make Tesla roughly $900 to $1 trillion market cap. JMP Securities analyst has also said the S&P 500 inclusion should help, but the majority of the growth will be happening in 2021, not because of just joining the S&P 500, but also new delivery targets and also massive amounts of autopilot and new features. The analyst has also said that the company has evolved over the past half a year. And for 2025, he's looking at roughly 2.5 million unit deliveries, which is insanely high. At this current moment, Tesla is trying to sell roughly 500,000 vehicles for 2020, which is already bigger than all the other fully electric car companies out there. And there's several car companies that make electric vehicles, but they don't have a factory, so they're not much of a threat. This $788 price target isn't even that far-fetched. I think Tesla is one of the few car companies out there that could definitely pride itself as more of a tech company. If you check out other companies out there, for example, QuantumScape, the ticker name is QS, they completely just make batteries. No sales at all, and the market cap is already bigger than Ford. It's $41 to $45 billion. You also have several LiDAR stocks out there that help with autonomous driving. You have several of those founders and CEOs already becoming multimillionaires or multi-billionaires. So just autopilot alone and autonomous driving is pretty big by itself. If you evaluate Tesla as just simply an autopilot company, they already have the FSD beta, they already have full self-driving in a lot of inner major cities. Autopilot will be rolling out sometime in late 2021 or early 2022. So just the autopilot alone, I think Tesla's worth like $200 billion just from that. They're selling a bunch of vehicles. They also have these battery facilities and also so many battery researchers. Their valuation is going off the charts. This is why Tesla is worth so much. You do have several analysts recently have changed their minds, going from a very low share price and a very low target to a very high one. I think eventually a lot of the bears are slowly just throwing in the towel. The amount of people shorting the stock has decreased by 67%, meaning the amount of people that went from really bearish to bullish have increased. And that's not just on Main Street, but also on Wall Street. So that's also pretty big. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below. Happy holidays. We got a lot more stuff coming in the world of Tesla, new autopilot, new software, and much more things to come. And I can't wait to see what this holiday update has to offer. Hopefully, it will be having a really good conference type of setup, because I would love to, see people going through meetings and also classes in a car. That sounds pretty cool. Thanks for watching.